Punta kaming Glasgow. Bibisit tayo naman yung Philippine store. And sobrang init ngayon. It's 24? 22.
Something like that.
Huh? Something like that daw. So it's springtime na. Yung parang summer sa Pinas yung temperature dito. Nakakaloka. So hot. Ay. Balikan ko kayo later. Once nasa train or Glasgow na kami. Ayan. Glasgow Station. To train. Yeah. We're here in, what do you call the shop?
American candy store.
American candy store. So they have a pig. And then they have lots of stuff here. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty, you haven't taken vitamins, baby. Look. Yeah, there's lots. Lots of different sweets. So, yeah. Huh? Cheetos. Yeah. Sour balls.
Zero white.
What's these?
It's candy, but it's disguised as
Slime?
slimy stuff.
But that's expensive,
That's
no? $3. Chocolates. Lots of chocolates. Oh, cheesecake. Shortbread.
What? What baby?
What?
Spades and stuff, and the eggs and stuff, the beach and stuff. It's got candy in it. But what?
Nougat?
Rum flavour. Fudge,
Yeah.
salty caramel fudge.
Rum flavor.
That's the nougat. That's the
Salted caramel.
fudge ice.
Ooh.
Three different ways. Wales.
Fudge ice, yeah.
Bubblegum flavour.
Nougat?
So, salty caramel.
Triple nougat. Hala, baby. Oh, peanut brittle. Oh, peanut brittle too.
Do you
Hala.
want it? For a snack or wait for the shop.
Milk chocolate. Chocolate flavor fudge.
I'll probably have one. Let's see.
Yeah. Now I want some drink.
Yeah, we'll also get a drink later, but if you want some candy later,
Peanut brittle again. Salted caramel fudge. Llama poop. Donkey poop. Meerkat poop. Moo poop. Poop, poop, poop. Baby, is this the ano? Is this the traditional ano? What do you call that?
It's not a Scottish.
No? Sour Patch. Lucky Charms. Pretzel.
That's like a big deal. What? There's your melon.
Watermelon. A pregnant dinosaur.
So the candy for the girls, the makeup candy.
That's a lot of marshmallow.
Makeup candy for you.
Look at the shortbread, baby. In front of you. Shortbread.
Yeah. That's the score.
Yeah. Reese's Puff. Oreo. Brownie Crunch. Pacifier, really?
Yeah.
For a grown-up. Pacifier for grown-ups. Ooh, unique flavor of Pringles.
Buffalo Ranch.
Yeah.
The Scotch shop. Scotch.
Unique flavor of Pringles.
Seaweed. Seaweed food.
Ooh. That's gonna be nice.
Rib. Steak food.
Rib stick pala. Cajun. Oh. Braised pork. Hala. Lime.
Vegan.
What's these? What's these?
Chocolates.
Chocolate tablet?
Lincoln chocolate.
Oh, what's this? Crisp
Yeah.
steak
Chips.
flavor chips.
We're on America.
Cheetos. Big lollies. Yeah, jelly bean.
Giant coming.
Giant gummy bear. Mahal ng cotton candy nila dito. 3 pounds ang isa. Isang cotton candy. Usually sa Pinas, magkano lang yan? 20 pesos. Dora.
There's the best candy. Best candy.
Paw
in the place.
Patrol. Baby Shark. SpongeBob.
What? Best candy in the place.
Best candy in the place. Haribo. Fruit Loops. Pick and Mix.
What? Unique Kit Kats.
Ooh, hala.
Chocolate roasted donut.
Unique flavor ng KitKat po. Donut. Birthday cake. Here, oh. Donut flavor.
SpongeBob. Krabby Patties.
Birthday cake flavor. Hala. Flintstone. Childhood cartoons.
Should like chocolate balls.
Oh. Unique flavor too of Cadbury.
Jelly pop and candy beans.
No, I don't like jelly. Uy, hala, there's yan here. Oh.
I remember that you said them when I was like,
There's yan. Oh, the tablet? No.
yeah. It's more Scotch stuff as well. Where's the top?
Ang cotton candy nila dito, tawag candy floss. Sa atin, cotton candy. Tapos ang hal.
No? Because you got the biscuits.
Biscoff. Yeah.
Cotton candy.
That's it. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. We're here. Philippine store in Glasgow. Finally. It's a long walk. Oh,
It's good.
It's open. There. Filipino shop.
Boza.
Yeah. Eee, Coffee ko blanca. Oh.
What?
What?
That'll be happy.
Sito? Oh, wait. This is nice dipping sauce, Mang Tomas. Yeah. They have corned beef. They have sardines too. Sardines. Chicharon. This is the real chicharon. I am a big fan of that. And that's the Stico. OMG.
You could get like a handful of like really small things that are like here and that. You couldn't get any like frozen stuff like
See that
that.
too? How much did you bought the vinegar and soy sauce?
I don't know, probably more than that. But
Yeah. The tilapia. Tilapia. There's tilapia. Mamacitas.
what? Should I pay for it?
Magic syrup. 130. How much did you got it?
Oh, I think it's more than that.
Uy. There's pancit canton.
Is it coconut milk? What?
Yeah. So, yeah. We're finally home. And, ito yung mga nabili namin sa the Philippine Glasgow shop. Bumili kami ng C2. 2 bote niyan. Ito kay Hubby. Yung sa akin na inom ko na kanina. And then, Mang Tomas. We got the big bottle. And then, chicharon. What? We also got 2 packets ng ginataang gulay. Panggawa ng ginataang gulay, of course. And then, got some 2 lata ng Ligo sardines na hindi maanghang. 2 lang kasi hindi naman kakain si Yabi niyan. And then, we got some pancit canton, 2 pack ng sweet and spicy. And then, 2 pack ng calamansi. And then, I've also got some 2 packs ng chili mansi na pancit canton. Meron din akong nagaraya. And lastly, sa Lompas, meron siyang 10 patches sa isang box. Signs of aging. So yeah. That's it. Nakakapagod. Ang layo ng nilakad pero enjoy naman all in all. So yeah. That's it. Till next time.